Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and this one is a small one announcing channel memberships. Before we get down to the details of the membership, do note that all of this would not have been possible without your support. We have been on this channel for more than 3 years now. I think we started on 31st of May 2018. So yes, more than 3 years. And thanks to each and every one of you who has joined us on this journey, which will keep on going on. So once again, thanks to each and every one of you for your continuous support. Next up, I have had access to channel memberships since August 2020, but I was just waiting for the right moment. I wanted to do it at the 3 year anniversary, but we are late by a few days. Anyways, memberships are totally optional. Whether you get it or you do not get it, no one is forcing you. It is your personal preference and it is just a way of showing that you support the channel. That's about it. Other than that, the content you see, the comments, the interaction in the comments will still be the same, not going to be affected in any way by memberships. Now we do have only one level of membership, which is the name. Won't surprise you, but yeah, only one level of membership. And why have I kept only one level? I have kept only one level so that it is not confusing. That's it. I don't want to differentiate between a member and a non-member by adding like 5 different levels. One level just to show your support for the channel. The perks which you get are early access to videos and of course some badges, and if I design an emoji you might get an extra emoji. That's about it, and the badges and emojis can be used in the comments. So plain and simple, one membership level just to support the channel. No one is forcing you. You can join and leave at any time you want to, and you get early access to videos. And I am pretty sure that once the video goes live, a few hours, maybe like I think it takes 24 hours for the memberships button to show up. And where do you find that button? Well, near the subscribe button, which should be grayed out for you by the way. On the left of the subscribe or subscribed button, you would see something called join. So you can use that, and membership of course is monthly, so you can support the channel for a month, 2 months, 3 months, for the rest of the lifetime of the channel. It is your personal preference and personal wish. And that's it. Memberships announced. See you when I see you.